how to connect email to Mobile Legends. So if you want to connect email to Mobile Legends, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Mobile Legends application. After opening your Mobile Legends, you just need simply go with your settings, which will be in the top right. And then it will take you to the profile section right here. After that, you need to go with the account, which is on the left side. And from the account, you will have an option of email or Google account. You can go and select your Google account or your email. You can go with tap to connect, which will be on the right side in order to connect your mail to your Mobile Legends. Now go and tap to connect and select your Google account that you would like to connect to your Mobile Legends. And after selecting your Google account, you need to tap on OK and your account will be connected. So in this way, you'll be able to connect your email to your Mobile Legends. You may also get a verification code to the email. You need to enter the verification code, and after entering the verification code, your email will be connected. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.